Here's the story of a team of students who all worked hard to bring you EubieTV. They were all at Blake working all together, and then the virus came. It's the story of dedicated Bengals who were apart due to COVID-19. They had a mission to create a new show, but they were not allowed at school. Now this year, Miss Emery and Miss Wilbur pulled us together to produce our show for you. Despite our distance from all our Bengal family, we're excited to bring you EubieTV, the Eubie Bunch, the Eubie Bunch. Get ready for EubieTV. Yeah.
What's up, Blake? Welcome back to EubieTV. Today is Friday, June 11th. I'm Chibogu, and I'm your anchor for today's edition of EubieTV. Remember that next week we only have 3 days of school. Monday is an A day with periods 1 through 4, and Tuesday is a B day with periods 5 through 8. Here's a look at next week's schedule. Now here's Charlie with the weather.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
What's up, Blake? It's Charlie here with your UB weather for this weekend and next Monday. Today will be rainy with a high of 68 and a low of 60. Tomorrow will be cloudy with a high of 80 and a low of 63. On Sunday, it will be rainy with a high of 81 and a low of 61. And on Monday, it will be cloudy with a high of 83 and a low of 61. Stay beautiful, and we'll see you Tuesday with more weather on EubieTV.
For those who may not be aware, graduation has been postponed to tomorrow morning, Saturday at 10 a.m. The ceremony will be live streamed 2 different ways this year. First via the news sports network NFHS at the link below, and through our EubieTV live stream. You can access the EubieTV stream at this link below as well. Both links are also available in this video's description on YouTube. Students and families are heavily encouraged to carpool together for the ceremony, as there will be limited parking. A satellite parking lot has been set up at the Northwest Branch Recreational Park, and a shuttle service will be available to get people from satellite parking to Blake. Also, seniors need to arrive at Blake no later than 9 a.m. to line up. Families will be allowed into the stadium starting at 9 a.m. If you have any questions, check out Mr. Sinclair's information page at the web address below. Students, next Wednesday is a virtual half-day and first period starts at 8 a.m. Don't come to the school building. Each class will meet for 20 minutes and with a 10-minute break in between. Here's a look at the schedule for next Wednesday.
Juniors, make sure you check out your CBS email for updates about summer programs that will get you ready for your senior year. Take advantage of these workshops as they will help you get started on the college application process and other important items needed for your senior year. You can find the link on the 11th Grade CBS page and in your CBS email. You can also check out the list at the link below, which is also available in this video's description on YouTube.
June is also National Caribbean American Heritage Month. According to the Department of the Interior, Caribbean American Heritage Month is celebrated in proclamation of the President and Congress of the United States to celebrate the achievements and progressions made by Caribbean Americans, immigrants, and descendants of Caribbean Americans in America. This includes areas such as art, film, television, sciences, sports, music, and more. Caribbean American Heritage Month began being celebrated in 2006. And notable Caribbean Americans include rapper and songwriter Nicki Minaj, rapper and songwriter Cardi B, singer, songwriter, and activist Harry Belafonte, and singer-songwriter Beyonce Knowles Carter.
Today's wellness tip is to try meditation over the summer. During meditation, you concentrate your attention and clear your mind of the jumbled thoughts that may be bothering you and causing stress. Meditation can help you achieve a sense of calm, peace, and balance, which can improve your emotional and physical well-being.
Today's word of the day is supersede, which means to take the place or move into the position of. For example, the theory has been superseded by more recent research.
On this day in history, in 1955, the 24 Hours of Le Mans experienced a terrible disaster when the deadliest crash in motor racing history occurred. The crash killed 84 and injured another 120 when Mike Hawthorne started a brake at his Jaguar, pulling across the track for his pit stop and cutting off Austin Healey driver Lance Macklin. In 1955, there was no pit lane or pit wall, just a painted line on the track. Macklin swerved out of the way into the path of Mercedes driver Pierre Levy, which ramped Levy over the hay bale walls and into the crowd upwards of 125 miles an hour. The race continued after the accident, with Mike Hawthorne winning. The race highlighted a severe lack of safety in motorsports and prompted many nations to ban motorsports such as France, Switzerland, Spain, and Germany, with the Swiss holding on to their ban even to this day.
On Tuesday night, Blake boys volleyball won an exciting first-round playoff match over Gaithersburg 3-2. Wednesday saw many Blake teams competing. Girls varsity lacrosse beat Colonel Sadak Magruder High School 11-10 to advance to the region final. The ladies played Paint Branch last night at 5 p.m., but at the time of this recording, the game's results were not available. Varsity baseball falls to Montgomery Blair High School 5-3. The Bengals ended their season with second place and a record. Excellent showing this season. Varsity softball beat Paint Branch High School 13-3 to also advance to the region final. Sydney Gandy led the Bengals at the plate with 4 RBIs on a double and a triple. And boys varsity lacrosse beat Colonel Sadak Magruder High School 19-5 to advance to the region final. They played Springbrook in the region final yesterday night at 7 p.m. However, the game's results were not available at the time of this recording. Region champions will move on to the state tournament.
Today is National Making Life Beautiful Day. Whether you're creating beauty by building relationships or helping others achieve personal success, your actions create a ripple effect, making life beautiful not just for yourself, but for those around you too. You can celebrate today by helping someone achieve a personal goal or donating time to a worthy cause. Help someone less fortunate or just do something nice for someone.
Thanks, Evelyn. Even though this year has been a downer in some ways, there have been other ways that life has been beautiful. Just a reminder that Blake's graduation ceremony was postponed to tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. From everyone at EubieTV, we'd like to give a shout out to all of the class of 2021. You all have made the best of this year. Congratulations, Bengals. That's all for today's show. We'll see you Tuesday for our last broadcast of the school year on EubieTV.